one. So I've just pulled my French garlic. Cat, go away. And I had some, unfortunately, some rot on some of them. So I guess it's from the rain we had, and then as opposed to a non-rotted one. So the rotted ones, you can tell because there's like mold on them, but they also come out much easier because the roots have started to die off, I guess. Whilst these, I kind of have to lever it out, so I use a fork for that. It's because the ground's so hard now. And you don't want to break it when you pull it out. You have to be careful with the fork in case you damage them. I did damage some of them, so we'll just have to use those first. But yeah, the other ones should store okay, I hope. So now I'm gonna just peel them, and you can follow along. So this one has started splitting, which means that I was too late really for harvesting. So it's just a funny year. They should have been in the ground longer. That's why I waited, even though the foliage kind of told me it was ready. But yeah, so this is another one we're gonna have to use fairly quick. It won't store very well. And this one, you can see it started flowering. So yeah, couldn't even tell before, but there's definitely a sign that it's time to pull them. So they're clean, they're trimmed. Now I'm just going to leave them in my greenhouse to dry. You should really leave them somewhere that it doesn't get too hot. So if it starts getting into, you know, the 40s, I'm going to have to put them somewhere else, maybe just outside. But they want somewhere dry to dry out, and then you can store them. So, you know, you don't always succeed and you don't always get what you wish for. I was hoping for many more bigger than this, really, with this blush pink, but I guess because of the year we had, it wasn't gonna go to plan everything, so they had to be pulled sooner than I wanted to, and some were really tiny. But you always get that though when you grow your own. They don't all look like in the shop, so whatever. Hopefully I can save some nice big ones and use those clothes to sow garlic for next year. And this time I'm going to sow them before the winter. These ones were sown in spring, and I think maybe they need the longer season to fully mature. And yeah, better luck next year, eh? But I'm pretty happy, you know. Your own harvest is amazing, and you should smell these. They smell so good. Happy growing!